Good day everyone. In this video, we will going to solve one problem in elimination of arbitrary constant. So without further ado, let's begin. So we have x cubed minus 3x squared y is equals to c. In this case, we have to determine how many constant is present in the equation. So in this case, we only have one constant, which is denoted by the letter C, the constant. It means that if the arbitrary constant is only 1, we need to differentiate the function or the whole equation only once. And differentiating this, we have 3x squared minus 3. So this is a product rule, so we have to copy the variable first, get the derivative of this, which is y prime, plus copy the y and get the derivative, which is 2x is equals to 0. Because we do know that the derivative of constant is 0. And we do simplify this equation for us to get differential equation. So basically, we have 3x squared minus 3x squared y prime minus 6xy is equals to 0. With this, we can now simplify by actually dividing this by 1 all over 3x. 3 will be cancelled, 1 term of x, 6 will become 2, and x will be cancelled. So the equation would be x minus xy prime minus 2y is equals to 0. Take note that y prime is equals dy dx in this case. So x minus x times dy dx minus 2y is equals to 0. Furthermore, we can actually multiply the whole equation by dx. Equation would become x dx minus x dy minus 2y dx is equals to 0. And combining the terms x dx minus 2y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. But we could factor this out as x minus 2y times dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So this would be our differential equation produced upon eliminating the arbitrary constant.
Good day everyone. Today ang i-discuss natin is all about differential equations. And ang topic natin ay equation of order 1, specifically is yung separation of variables. So when we say separation of variables, is-separate natin lahat ng mga may dx at lahat ng mga may dy. Which means lahat ng dx ang kasama niya ay mga may x na variable and lahat ng dy ang kasama niya ay may mga y na variable. Then once na napagsama-sama na natin sila, pwede na tayong mag-integrate. So let's solve this one. Y prime equals xy squared, and alam naman natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to x y squared. Then kapag pinagsama natin yung y dy and x dx, magiging dy over y squared equals x dx. So itataas natin yung y squared dito, magiging y raised to negative 2 dy equals x dx. And kapag in-integrate natin siya, magiging y raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 equals x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c na constant. And kapag sinimplify natin siya, magiging negative 1 over y equals x squared over 2 plus c. Then, para maalis yung fraction, ita-times natin siya sa 2y. Then, so, negative 1 over y times 2y equals negative 2 equals x squared over 2 times 2y equals x squared y. Then, c times 2y equals cy. Then, kapag finactor out natin yung y dito, magiging negative 2 equals y times x squared plus c. Then, kapag equate naman natin siya sa 0, magiging y times x squared plus c plus 2 equals to 0. And yun yung answer.
Hello, so right now we are going to talk about non-exact differential equation made exact by using integrating factor. So considering na tayo ay may differential equation na not exact, which is m of x, y dx plus n of x, y dy equals 0, kailangan natin i-prove na yung partial derivative of n with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. Para magawa natin na itong exact, kailangan natin mag-multiply ng integrating factor sa ating equation. So kapag ang partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x is divided sa n is equal to f of x, ang ating if ay e raised to integral of f of x dx. Kapag naman ito ay equal to f of y, ang if natin ay e raised to negative integral of f of y dy. Sa ating example, 3xy cubed plus 4y dx plus 3x squared y squared plus 2x dy equals 0, ang ating m ay 3xy cubed plus 4y at ang ating n ay 3x squared y squared plus 2x. So yung partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to 3x multiplied to the derivative ng y cubed, which is 3y squared plus 4, and ito ay 9xy squared plus 4. Sa partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 3y squared multiply sa derivative ng x squared, which is 2x plus derivative ng 2x, which is 2. Kung isi-simplify natin, ito ay magiging 6xy squared plus 2. So nakita naman natin na hindi exact ang differential equation na to. Kailangan nating maghanap ng integrating factor. Para gawin yon, kailangan nating isubtract si 9xy squared plus 4 sa 6xy squared plus 2. At i-divide natin ang sagot sa 3x squared y squared plus 2x. Ang sagot dito ay 3xy squared plus 2 all over 3x squared y squared plus 2x. I-factor out natin si x at kapag na-factor out na, ay pwede na natin i-cancel si 3xy squared plus 2. So, ang f of x natin ay 1 over x. Sa pagkuha ng if, substitute lang natin ang f of x sa formula na na-discuss kanina. So, e raised to integral of 1 over x dx. Ito ay magiging e raised to ln of x, makakancel si e raised to ln at ang matitirang sagot ay x, which is ito ang ating if. Next ay i-multiply na natin ang ating nakuhang if, which is x, sa ating equation, which is 3xy cubed plus 4y dx plus 3x squared y squared plus 2x dy. Ang makukuha nating sagot ay 3x squared y cubed plus 4xy dy plus 3x cubed y squared plus 2x squared dy equals 0. So, may bago na tayong m, which is 3x squared y cubed plus 4xy. May bago na rin tayong n, which is 3x cubed y squared plus 2x squared. Para ma-prove natin na exact ng ating DE, kunin ulit natin ang partial derivative ng m at n. Ang partial derivative ng m with respect to y is equal to 3x squared multiplied sa derivative ng y cubed, which is 3y squared, at 4x multiplied by 1 na siyang derivative ng y. Simplifying this, ang makukuha natin ay 9x squared y squared plus 4x. Sa partial derivative ng n with respect to x naman is equal to 3y squared multiplied sa derivative ng y cubed, which is 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2x na siyang derivative ng x squared. At kapag isi-simplify, ang magiging sagot ay 9x squared y squared plus 4x. At dahil equal na si m at n, na-prove na natin na exact na ang ating differential equation. Para isolve ang ating DE, gagamitin natin ang formula, which is the integral of m of t, y dt from 0 to x plus the integral of n of 0, t dt from 0 to y equals c. I-substitute lang natin ang x at gawin natin itong t para sa m, at ang x naman ay magiging 0 at y ay magiging t sa n. So, magiging integral of 3t squared y cubed plus 4ty dt from 0 to x plus integral of 0 dt from 0 to y equals c. Makakancel ito, kaya ang matitira na lang ay ito. Atin nang i-integrate, ito ay magiging 3y cubed, integral ng t squared ay t cubed over 3, plus 4y integral ng t ay t squared over 2 from 0 to x equals c. I-substitute na natin si x at 0. Magiging y cubed x cubed plus 2yx cubed minus 0 plus 0 equals c. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay x cubed y cubed plus 2x squared y equals c.
Good day, sir. I am Dion and I will be discussing the type 4, which is exact differential equation.
So let us first recall that this form is the differential form of first order equation. So malalaman natin kung exact itong equation na to using the test for exactness. So kapag sinabing natin test for exactness, we will be using the partial derivatives to determine or test if a first order equation is exact or not exact. So as you can see, m is the coefficient of dx. So kapag ang multiplier niya ay dx, the partial derivative should be respect to y. So kapag ang multiplier niya naman ay dy, the partial derivative should be respect to x. So kapag yung partial derivatives ng both terms ay equal, then the differential equation is exact. And yan yung tinatawag nating test for exactness. So kapag yung given differential equation ay na-determine na natin exact siya, then pwede na natin isolve yung kanyang general solution. So para makuha yung general solution, we just need to integrate both terms. So therefore, ito na ang kanyang general solution. May makukuha kang purely in terms of x, purely in terms of y, and combination of x and y. And may possibility din na yung purely in terms of x and y ay maging 0. So, sa example naman tayo ng exact differential equation. So, una mo natin gagawin is hanapin yung partial derivative ng dalawang terms na to. Unahin muna natin yung first term. So, since ang multiplier niya ay dx, dapat ang partial derivative niya should be respect to y. So, kapag partial derivative natin ito, magiging sagot niya is 3x squared na lang. And sa second term naman, ang multiplier niya ay dy. So, ibig sabihin, ang partial derivative niya should be respect to x. So, kapag partial derivative natin ito, itong y magiging 0 at itong x cubed magiging 3x squared. So, ibig sabihin, therefore, the equation is exact. So, ang next step naman is integrate yung both terms. Pero unahin muna natin ulit yung first term. Since dx siya, i-treat natin lahat as a constant maliban lang sa x squared. Kaya ilalabas natin yung 3y. And since pwede naman na natin integrate yung x squared, magiging 3y x cubed over 3 na siya. And pwede rin natin makancel tong 3, kaya magiging x cubed y plus q of y. So, itong q of y, lagi natin itong dinadagdag kapag ang multiplier ng ini-integrate natin ay dx. So, integrate din natin yung second term. I-distribute muna natin yung dy, at saka since dy siya, lahat ay constant maliban lang sa y. So, itong x cubed dito sa second term, ilalabas natin. At pwede natin siyang i-integrate dahil ano naman na siya sa y, kaya magiging y squared over 2 plus x cubed y. So, itong rx, lagi natin itong iladagdag kapag nag-i-integrate tayo ng dy sa exact differential equation. So, equate naman natin yung solution to an exact DE nila, kaya magiging ganito. At tapos, dito, hanapin naman natin yung q of y at r of x. So, itong q of y, mahanap natin sa other side na dapat lang ay purely in terms of y. Itong y squared over 2. Kaya magiging q of y is equal to y squared over 2. Itong r of x naman is mahanap din natin to sa kabilang side. Pero walang purely in terms of x. Kaya magiging r of x is equal to 0. So, itong q of y at r of x, i-substitute lang natin sa mga na-integrate natin kanina para mahanap na yung general solution. Kaya ang general solution natin is magiging y squared over 2 plus x cubed y is equal to c.
Good day everyone. In this video, we will going to solve one application in any of the application. And we're going to apply Newton's law of cooling. And this will be the given problem. Here will be the given. Let's start. So we take T0 is equal to 23, T times T is equal to 18.5 after 2 hours. Solve for K knowing the room temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Apply the given equation. 18.5 is equal to 5 plus 23 minus 5 times E raised to negative 2K. 18.5 is equal to 5 plus 18 times E raised to negative 2K. Transpose the 5. 13.5 is equal to 18 times E raised to negative 2K. Divide it by 18. 0.75 is equal to E raised to negative 2K. take natural log. Ln 0.75 is equal to negative 2k divided by 2. K is equal to negative ln 0.75 over 2. Now, use same constant to solve for t using the t0 is equal to 37 degrees Celsius, t times t is equal to 23 degrees Celsius. We will get t. Apply the given equation. 23 is equal to 5 plus 37 minus 5 times e raised to ln 0.75 times t over 2. 0.5625 is equal to e raised to ln 0.75 times t over 2. Natural log of both sides. Ln 0.5625 is equal to ln 0.75 times t over 2. Solve for t. 2 ln 0.5625 is equal to t ln 0.75. T is equal to 2 ln 0.5625 over ln 0.75. T is equal to 4. Subtract it into 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore, the time of death was 6 a.m.